Hello my friends, my name is Ellen. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. If you're new to my channel, welcome to my Southern Kitchen and the 391st episode here on Ellen's Homemade Delights. Hope all you're doing well and staying safe and healthy. We have reached a milestone, my friends, 20,000 subscribers. Woohoo! Thank you again everyone for watching and tuning in. I am very grateful. And I will continue to share with all of you some mouth-watering down-home Southern recipes. Again, thank you. Now we're on to 21,000. So to celebrate, I'm going to share with all of you a peach pound cake. And my friends, it is the bomb.com. It's going to be so delicious, simple, and easy to make, full of peach flavor. And we're going to put a peach soda glaze on top. How yummy does that sound? You'll be in peach heaven when you taste this pound cake. It would be a great treat to set your barbecue cookout and family reunions. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my pound cake recipes playlist and my previous video, Southern Lemon Sweet Iced Tea. I'll post a link to both of those down below in the description box. So grab your flour, your butter, and your peaches sugar, because we're about to bake some peach pound cake magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright my friends, the first step we're going to do is prep the peaches. Over here I have two large beautiful yellow peaches. We're going to cut them and dice them. Alright, so now we're going to set the peaches aside while we work on the dry ingredients. Alright my friends, in my bowl I have 3 cups of self-rising flour. And into our flour we're going to add in 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. And we're going to sift these together. So now we're going to set the dry ingredients aside while we work on the wet ingredients. In my large bowl, I have 1 cup, which is 2 sticks of unsalted butter, and 1 stick, which is 1/2 cup of margarine that I let come to room temperature. And into our butter and margarine, we're going to add in 3 cups of white sugar. Remember, we need lots of sugar when making a pound cake. And we're going to cream these on medium speed until it's fluffy. Alright my friends, now we're going to add in 6 jumbo eggs at room temperature. Going to add them one at a time, beating after each egg. Alright, last egg. Mix that in real good. One teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, 1/2 teaspoon of pure almond extract, and 1/2 teaspoon of pure lemon extract. Mix those in until it's well incorporated. Alright my friends, now we're going to alternately add the flour mixture with 1 cup of peach yogurt, beginning and ending with flour. Alright, last is the flour. Mix this in until it's well combined. Alright, my friends, our cake batter almost complete. There's one more thing we got to add to it. Our peaches. Diced peaches. And this is optional. I'm going to add in a few drops of peach food coloring. I wanted my pound cake that peach color. I'm going to mix this in until it's well incorporated. Alright, my friends, I'm through folding in the peaches. Look at that beautiful peach color. Luscious, smooth, and whipped. And it smells amazing. Love the smell of peach. Alright, that looks great. Now we're ready to pour it into the pan. We're going to pour it in the 10-inch bundt pan that I greased with baking spray. Alright, my friends, so now we're going to shake it and bang it to get rid of those air bubbles. Alright, perfect. Now ready to put our peach pound cake in the oven. We're going to put it in the preheated 325-degree oven. Alright, my friends, I have taken my peach pound cake in the oven. And it smells amazing up in this kitchen. Look how nice and golden brown that is. Alright, so now we're going to let the cake cool on a wire rack. And then I'm going to put it on my cake stand. Alright, my friends, our peach pound cake is nice and cool. And I put it on my cake stand. And I line it with some wax paper for easy cleanup. And over here I have a glaze, which is 1.5 cups of powdered sugar and 2 to 3 tablespoons of peach soda. And I stir it until it's well incorporated. So now we're going to drizzle the glaze right onto the cake. Gonna give it some sugar. Alright, so now we're going to gently pull the wax paper off. Just like that. And there you have it, my friends. Southern peach pound cake. Doesn't it look delicious? Alright, so now we're going to let the glaze harden. And then I'll fix me up a plate and I'll give it a taste. Alright, my friends, I'll fix me up a plate. And I'm serving it with a scoop of vanilla ice cream and a peach slice. Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Look at that texture. Oh yeah. Moist and fluffy. It just melts in your mouth. I can taste the peaches inside. Full of peach goodness. And I love that peach soda glaze. If y'all love peach and pound cake, y'all gonna love this recipe. This is scrumptious. Please give this a try. This deserves another bite. Yum-o. Peach pound cake licious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video and this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. And also hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights or send me an email, ellenshomemade@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. I'll see you next time. Let's eat, much love, and stay safe.